Hello guys, my name is Godian and I am a developer relations advocate. In this guide, I'll be showing you guys how to create a new account, and you need to understand that your new account can actually be used to deploy and test applications that you're actually building on near blockchain without spending any money or any dime. And of course, there are two ways for you to do that. Using one of the wallets listed in wallet.near.org or using command line interface. And you can actually get to do that by using npm, running it via your terminal, doing it with either of this particular operating system, Mac or Linux, or using Windows. But then we need to first of all start with the first step, which is using one of these particular wallets on wallet.near.org. You can of course use any of these EVM wallets that are actually listed here, such as MetaMask. And of course, I'm going to be using my Near wallet to actually show you what it is like to create one. And we automatically get to create an account from this particular interface. This is the mynearwallet.com website. So you can click on create account. You can also click on import account. And of course, you can, of course, create or connect any of your Ethereum wallet address. If I actually had my MetaMask extension, wallet extension, integrated to my Chrome browser, you would automatically see it here. So when you actually logging in, it will automatically take you to where you are actually going to create an account, or you can actually get to interact with it. So right now, if I'm doing this, I could simply get to click on this. So it will simply take me to the MetaMask Chrome web store, and I can simply add MetaMask to my browser. But we are not going to use MetaMask, so we are going to just see how it is to actually, okay, yeah, it's been successfully installed to my MetaMask, so I can simply pin that and log in with my details and do whatever I want to do. But we are not going to use that. So like I said, so we are simply going to come here and create a new account. So you're going to click to create a new account. If you're a first time user, you can simply input your password. Make sure it's a password that you can remember. I already do have an account. All I simply need to do is click on wallets, and my account actually gets to get logged in automatically. So right now I have my wallet data here. I have where you can actually get to interact with other near protocol or ecosystem app. Of course, my account wallet ID is here. So let's move straight into the command line interface creation of your testnet account wallet. So let's come here to this guide and let's copy this. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is to make sure that I actually install my command line interface. That is near command line interface. That's how they say when developing smart contract, you would expend a lot of time interacting with near blockchain through the command line interface. And you need to install near's command line interface. It basically helps you to build, deploy, and interact with smart contracts that you are building on near. So for me, I'm going to come here and I'm going to come to my VS Code, which I did. I created a file. You can simply do that. I'm going to come to my terminal, create a new terminal, and I'm going to input this. Okay, I'm going to input this so that I can create and install my near command line interface. You can see everything is successfully installed. The next thing I'm going to do right now is to come here, since I've created that, and create my wallet. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to come here and create my wallet. And for me to simply do that, I need to make sure that I change this particular tag to the choice of my testnet name. So I'm going to be using my name and another and this particular tag, which is .testnet. Just by default, every testnet account always I must have the testnet. Okay, so I'm going to copy that, paste it here. I'm going to come here and put it as a guardian org for my testnet account name .testnet, and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to come here and paste it here and see how that goes. So yes, we have successfully created our testnet wallet, and you can see in this particular line where it has actually indicated that your testnet token has successfully been created, and you can see your public key. You can also see every other detail such as your transaction ID, and of course it is automatically saved on the on NEAR's blockchain, and you can use it to interact, of course, on other on NEAR smart contract and deploy every single kind of application that you want to. So yes, we have successfully done that. And the next steps to follow is that you can actually get to make use of this particular resources such as funding your wallet through one of these faucets, creating your first smart contract, building a Web3 application, and learning how to build an auction app from end to end. But I'm going to just show you how you can actually get to fund your wallet via this. So we are going to copy the wallet address. I'm going to copy the wallet address to this. Okay, let's copy the wallet address to this. Let's see if we can actually get to do that. So I'm going to come here and going to copy this. So I have actually included my testnet ID, and I'm automatically requesting for. Now my account has automatically been funded, which you can see here. My account has automatically been funded, and it's been funded with testnet tokens. That's faucet testnet token. And now that we have successfully gotten this particular testnet wallet funded, we have actually achieved that. So I'm glad you actually watched that. If you do have any question or you are looking for support for you to build with the testnet token, or you're having any issue, you can always reach out to the support team. They would always be happy to respond to you, and you can do that via any of their socials and via these docs. So that is it. Thank you for watching.